Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. Alrighty, here are the two personal mosaics that Jennifer and I are making. This one I will deliver to Jennifer and she can finish it up and grout it. And this one just needs a little bit. So I'm gonna work on that right now. All right, so I have pulled some of the leftovers from the big wall project for the sky and the sun rays. And what I probably will end up doing is cutting these so they are a little bit skinnier, because these areas are very much skinnier than they were on the big project. Sort of like how Jennifer had to do these trees, and she cut the pieces much skinnier than they were on our big one. Let me get after the yellows, and here's what I've got. I have this pretty iridized one. I have this bright, I guess it's streaky, this really golden yellow, and then I have one that's sort of a streaky orange. And then I have this one that's textured. I'm just gonna mix them up and see how it goes. Outside so I could take a look at it at a distance, and I really like how it came out. I just wanted to make sure it was readable. Here it is up close. I'm ready to grout, and I am using Mapei Flexcolor CQ in Armour, the same grout we used for the big Landscape of Dunwoody. Let me get after it. I like to have one hand clean. I got my bucket of water ready with a sponge. So here we go. I also have my favorite spreading tool. This is Spready. One last thing, I am going to press grout onto the sides and just to cover up that raw edge. This is how much grout I have left after grouting the wall. used up all the rest of my grout. I'm gonna go dump the water, let that set up a little bit, and then I'll do a final cleaning. The last thing I need to do is wire this. So I'm gonna flip it over. Oop. And I've already got the hanging hardware set up there. Here's my wire. I'm gonna cut it a little bit long. And now I do a hitch knot here. Oh, good grief. You just hook it through here so it's not on me. There we go. Okay. So to do this knot, you put it over like this, and then behind, and then through, and whoop, through the hoop you just made, and then you pull the whole thing tight. After you pull it tight, wrap it around. Then I cut it close. And crimp it so that this doesn't poke me later. Then I do the same thing to the other side. I don't really have anywhere to hang it right now outside, so I'm gonna hang it in my studio. Of course. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.